Wanna impress your classmates with a secret Windows trick? You're gonna look like a hacker in 10 seconds. Press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog box. Type CMD and hit enter to open the command line. Type this command to see someone running. Type this command to see a dancing parrot. Type this command to check the weather right from your terminal. Type this command to see your IP address and location. And finally, you can type this command to get rickrolled. You can copy these commands in the comments section. Double tap, save this, and follow for more tricks they don't teach in class.